Action verbs with examples. Eat. I eat an apple. Run. He runs fast. Jump. He jumps high. Write. I write a letter. Read. She reads a book. Drink. She drinks water. Sing. She sings a song. Dance. They dance well. Talk. We talk daily. Walk. He walks slowly. Sleep. The baby sleeps. Laugh. She laughs loudly. Cry. The child cries. Open. I open the door. Close. She closes the window. Throw. He throws the ball. Catch. He catches the ball. Wash. I wash my hands. Cook. She cooks dinner. Draw. She draws a picture. Build. They build a house. Climb. He climbs a tree. Kick. She kicks the ball. Push. She pushes the door. Pull. He pulls the rope. Swim. He swims well. Watch. We watch TV. Listen. She listens to music. Smell. She smells the flowers. Feel. She feels happy. Break. He breaks the glass. Fix. She fixes the chair. Brush. I brush my teeth. Paint. He paints a wall. Buy. She buys a dress. Sell. He sells fruits. Call my friend. Answer. He answers the phone.